Hi there, this is a video tutorial on how to use my social media content calendar. If you are creating content for your social media platforms and you want to get organized, this is a perfect spreadsheet to use. So this is how it works. Okay, so first at the very top, you can select what month and year you're going to be using. So you would start and do the drop-down box and say it's January. Then the numbers are going to fill in automatically depending on what date it is. Having said that, the content in this, what the images that you put in and the information does not change per month. So what we would need to do is if you wanted to have one just for January, use this just for January, and then you would go and do the arrow and then duplicate, and then it's going to make a copy. So you would just right click here and rename, and you could make that, February. And that way you have another month. And so if you wanted to make changes every month, you could just do that. So this is the main one. And then if you wanted to make copies, you could. Okay, so here we go. So starting on Sunday, you want to choose the platform. So Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever you decide. Let's go with Instagram. Okay, so the time that you're going to post, so say it's going to be 1:00 p.m. And then this is the type. So if it's going to be a reel, a story, whatever, post, a video, whatever, you can put the type in. So you're just literally clicking in here and then just typing whatever you'd like. And then your goal. So if you want it to have comments, if you want people to repost it, likes, follows, so that is something you'd choose as well. The image here, I'll show you how to use that. So what you can do is if you click on the cell, you just hit the backspace button to delete it. And then you want to hit insert, go to the top, click insert, image in cell. It's going to give you the browse option, so click browse. Choose the picture that you like and hit open. And then it will insert your picture for you. So you can put the images that you want in here so that you know this is the image that I'm going to be using. You can put your hashtags here. So you just highlight here and do hashtag, TGIF or whatever your hashtag is going to be. This is your idea. So if you want to say, hey, this is, I want to have a video idea and I'm going to be walking through the door and then saying something, whatever you want to write down for your idea. Your caption, this would be the, description that you would have in your Instagram post or your social media post. Call to action link. So if there's a link that you want someone to go to your website or whatnot, that's a place to put that there. So you just literally are double clicking in here. You would highlight everything and then you would just type caption here. All right, and you see your checklist. You can customize this. So if you want to have a different checklist, if it says type right, whatever your checklist you want it to be, you can change that around, and then you just click in the box to check it off. And then status would be either in progress, needs review, complete, or posted. And then format if it's going to be text, video, image, audio, whatever. And then this is another block. So we started here. This is the 1st through the 7th. So there's one of these sections all the way down for that week, and then this starts a new week. Okay, so and this goes all the way down to the end of the month there. So it starts ends at the 31st. So like I said, if you wanted to go and use, February and start fresh, then you can plan that out. I do have another link to another content calendar that has, the entire year, if that helps you. Okay, and then I've got a hashtag manager here. So there's a place for you to just keep up with hashtags that you want to. It's pretty long. And then you can just choose, what size audience you want to use that hashtag for. So that is essentially your social media content calendar planner. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click in the link in the description below for the link to purchase this spreadsheet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope y'all have a good one.